my name is Holly Compton, and I'm the district math coach for Manhattan Beach. And today we're going to check out a story problem called Popsicles. So before we start, I want to call your attention down to the number choices. And I want to make a quick note that these two choices are totally fine for this point in the school year for first grade, right? So when we're working with numbers, we don't want to accelerate too quickly because what we want is solid strategies. So if your child is working here, let's hope it's a really solid strategy, very efficient. And if they're working here, they really need a challenge, right? So we shouldn't have tears or frustration or anything like that. So make sure that your child is really choosing their just right number set. All right, so here we go. The Meadow students bought 21 popsicles after school. They bought 9 more popsicles than the Penny Camp students. How many popsicles did the Penny Camp students buy? Okay, so we have 21 and 9 is our first number choice. And it says the Meadow students bought 21 popsicles. So we know for sure that the Meadow students bought 21 popsicles. And we also know for sure that they bought 9 more popsicles than the Penny Camp students. Now, a common error I'm going to expect is they're going to see that 9 more, and they're going to add 21 and 9 together and make 30. Unfortunately, that's not correct. Especially if we've taught kids keywords, we really kind of want to shy away from teaching keywords because this does not mean to add in this scenario. What we want them to do is make sure they're picturing what's happening in their heads. So we know for sure Meadows has 21, so of course they probably have their tools or their drawings, right? They're making 21 like that. Or maybe they're getting into diagrams. So we could always think about if this looks like, this could be Meadows, 21. And then we don't know how many Penny Camp kids purchased, but we do know that the Meadows kids purchased 9 more than the Penny Camp students. Okay, your child is not going to draw this on their own, but it's a way to kind of help parents like guide your own thinking, right? So now we know for sure we're looking for this part, and this part's 9, and this whole thing is 21. So basically, we're either gonna take 21 off of 9, or we're going to count up from 9 to 21, right? So a lot of kids will probably do that, but I'm gonna guess that most kids will probably use the strategy of starting with the 21 and then taking off 9. Especially because they're so good at working in tens. If this is 10 and they have to take off 9, hopefully I don't drop any. So here go 9, taking those off. It's removal. And now there's only 10 and 2 more left. So the answer must be 12, right? So then when we put 12 in here, we have to see if it makes sense. 12 plus 9 equals 21. So that's true. Meadows kids bought 21 and Penny Camp kids must have bought 12, right? And another way that your child might do this is by using a number line. So if we know that the Meadows students bought 21 and we know that we have to take off 9, they might hop by ones back 9 times, or they might go 21 minus 10 is 11. But then we have to add that 1 back on because we really only wanted to take off 9, right? So we really just wanted to take off that 9, but we took off an extra 1 to make it friendly to 10. So you actually might see your child do something like that, get to 11 and hop back to 12, and that's the answer right there. All right, I know I'm taking you into more challenging territory now. So I hope that this helps you as you are thinking about this story with your child. See you next time. Bye.